adjust your sacroiliac joints first. I'm going to adjust your sacrum, which is your middle triangular shaped bone in the middle of your pelvis, straight superior to inferior, away from L5. And then I'm going to adjust L5 straight P to A so that we can push these vertebrae back forward and get them off the nerves back there. Yes, sir. Keep breathing. Yep. There we go. Good. There we go. I'm going to put the curve back in your cervical spine. I don't know if anybody's told you or not, but...
Licensed casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
You've got a decreased cervical curve as well. There you go. Good. Okay. Just through the internet. Slide down this way a little bit. But you'll be able to watch your own video on YouTube now and still get surgery on this right AC or left AC joint as well. But I am adjusting those joints because they have fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue that develops after you have those surgeries. And just let me have you here, Tyler. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to that lower back.
Good Lord.
Did you feel that right up in that right side?
Yes, I felt it.
Okay. Keep breathing and relaxing. There you go. And just let this relax in my hand here. Yep. Don't be worried about this shoulder. I'm not gonna hurt it. Okay. There it is. You too.
Yeah.
You didn't realize you were out in all those spots, did you?
No. Sounds like I'm pretty
Sound like a
messed up.
bowl of Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
I'm just pouring on the milk. There we go. That's what people come here for. Now, I want you to breathe through your nose with your left ear. There you go. Okay, let me do the work. You just think about something else. With your left toe. There you go. Now with your right big toe. There you go. Yes, sir. Another one right there. Okay, relax now. All right.
And out. Wow. I can feel all the tension right here. Yeah. So we're gonna relax the hips here. Put a little pressure down here in the hips and the pelvis just to open that up, and we're gonna just breathe in deep. And out. Chest relax. Beautiful. We got a little bit of motion there. And breathe. All the way out. Wow. How do we do there? I'm going to bring you over this way. You relax the hips, like so, Miss Carolina. I'm going to bring you this way. And this is so I can hold you so you don't roll off the table. Okay. Right? Your head stays right there and you won't go anywhere. And then I'm going to contact the lumbar spine. And you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise, but it's not the bones rubbing together again, right? So we're going to breathe in, all the way out. Okay, and then I'm going to lean over you here, so it's pocket to pocket there. Drop the hips. How do we do there?
Good.
Come on over. This is going to open up more, but that's why we have people on care plans, so we could train the body, right? Train the brain. Hips relax. This way, Miss Carolina. Big breath in. All the way out. There we go. Drop the hips all the way.
Oh, that feels so good.
Wow. Good job. Same thing. We're going to breathe in, Miss Carolina. And out. Head relax. And we're going to breathe in again. And out. Drop there. Wow. Amazing, huh? Down for me all the way. Your hands go on top of mine. And interlock like your fingers, yeah, and then squeeze down here, like really hard. Give me a good squeeze, and then breathe in a little harder, and out. Breathe out. Squeeze harder. There we go. Fall back. Fall.
Raise this leg up. Let me know if you have any pain in the hips or in the low back.
No.
Now, granted, you might have tight hamstrings or tight calves with this, but this knee, let that knee bend. We're gonna cross it over your body. I'm gonna just push down like this. Any pain in the low back or the hips with that?
No, sir.
Okay. We're gonna do the same thing, and I just want to bring this up here like this. Any pain with this?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Any pain if I bring your leg in, that foot in like that, in the low back of the hips?
No, sir.
Or if I bring it out like this?
No, sir.
A little bit, where at?
That lower back?
That lower back?
Yes,
Okay. And now if I bring this leg over, any pain with that?
No, sir.
Or if I bring it out like this, any pain with that?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Okay. Any pain over that right outside joint?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Any pain directly over the sacrum?
A little bit.
And any pain over that left outside joint?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll make that adjustment. How's that feel?
Mm-hmm.
T1 on that right here. There we go. Felt how that just opened up? I'm going to drop down to a T2 on the left. There we go. Good. All the way out. Okay, going to drop down a little bit. One more time. Deep breath in. Let it all out. There it goes. And exhale out. Okay, good. Midline. Good. One more. Good. Good. Okay. There we go. Flip to the other side for me. There it was. Flat on your back. You feel how that pulled?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Here, we'll take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out for me. There we go, just a little bit. Okay, right there. Breathe in and all the way out. All the way out, all the way out. There it was. Alright, one of the reasons on why you came in here. Perfect. So I'm going to distract. Oh, no, just relax, just relax.
There. So we worked on the shoulder already. She did some cupping, we did some active release. Now we're going to do some adjustments and taping. So have her go ahead and lay on your stomach and we'll get right to it. Here, come over this way. And so you're going to drop your hands down. You can see where she has some of those cupping marks right there. Infraspinatus, rhomboid, mid-trap area, very tight. So we're going to do some adjustments right here. And go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Good. Again. Good. One more time. Good. Good. Now breathe in and hold your breath. Good. Relax this way. This is good for that. That was perfect. That upper thoracic, lower cervical region. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Good. A little tighter there. Good. Relax. All right. Now, go ahead and go on your side, bottom leg straight. Bend there. Good. Oop. Keep that one right there. Good. All right. You're going to cross here and here. Good. Slide this way some for me. Good. Right there. All right. I'm going to roll you this way. Perfect. Good. All right. Relax. Go the other way now. So before hip pain, thankfully she's doing good with that right now. Just the shoulder that's killing you, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. You all right?
Yeah.
All right. Moving there already. All right.
Holy crap.
That was good. Between my knees. Keep that relaxed. That was good. Do the same thing on this side. Good. Side first. Just keep this nice and relaxed. Good. Same thing here. Perfect. Good. Here. Okay. When I tell you to, I want you to go back with your elbow like that. Okay. Keep the shoulder relaxed. Okay. So one time, back with the elbow. Quickly. Okay. Ready, go. There you go. Ah, you see that face? That was cool, right? Okay, come sit here.
And out. Yeah.
That one didn't like me.
Big breath. All the way out. Yeah. There you go. Breath in. And out.
That one hurt.
Yeah.
Yep.
Older.
Yeah.
Losing function and clueless as to why.
Yeah.
Right? Hips relax.
I think that's more painful, if anything, being amputated.
Agreed. Agreed. It's the ultimate pain. And out.
Ooh. That went all the way to my hip. Yeah, yesterday I spent 4 hours in traffic.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
We love that, right?
I do. Oh.
That's why we moved to LA.
This is why we moved to LA, yes. The traffic.
It's the secret sauce.
It really
right
calls
there.
people out.
Yeah. So what's all this about?
I don't know, actually.
Remember when you first came in? You used to have a lot of pain.
Oh my goodness, yes.
I remember your brothers and your mom telling me how much pain. It was unreal, wasn't it?
I actually couldn't function.
Yeah, drop your head a little bit. So you were kind of on another level there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So it's still inflamed there. You just got back from New York.
I did.
And relax. Wow. You breathe in. Gently fall back. Fall. Shoulders relax. Loose. Wow.
Oh wow, it is not like